Okay, good evening. Welcome to
FamilyMath number 793.
FamilyMath793. So that you had a really cool problem in your enrichment math homework, and it said point B is in the exterior of a regular n-sided polygon, A1 through AN, and A1, A2, B is an equilateral triangle. So you have a point outside of a regular n-sided polygon, and A1, A2, B is an equilateral triangle. What is the largest value of n, so the number of sides, for which AN, A1, B are consecutive vertices of a regular polygon? So you worked through this problem this morning and found actually a pretty neat solution. So walk me through your thought process in the solution, because I thought it was really nice.
So my first thing that I noticed was if you've got A1, A2, and AN. If AN, so as the polygon gets a lot of sides, the interior angle becomes closer to 180. But if the interior angle is exactly 180, you know this is 60, this is 120. So you know that this is B. You know that AN, A1, and B are going to be the side lengths of a regular hexagon.
Okay.
Because these are all the same. However, this requires n to be infinity, which would mean that these sides would actually have zero length.
Okay.
So this would not technically be valid. So then I wanted to try, since we can't do 6 sides, I wanted to try for 7. And 7... AN, A1... A2, and then B is somewhere up here.
Okay.
So 7, the interior angle is 128 and 4/7, which means that, I don't have the picture, just, yeah. So you have, this is 60.
Uh-huh.
You know, this is 128 and 4/7, which means that your angle of whatever polygon you're going to have on this side, I drew this kind of weirdly, but it's 171 and 3/7.
Okay.
And then, so 171 and 3/7, and then times the side, this number of sides, so 171 and 3/7 times n equals 180 times n minus 2.
Okay, so the only thing I'm going to use, you labeled your angles backwards. Yeah. So if you're going to have, which is going to be the 7-sided polygon?
This here. Or no, oops, yeah. This is...
It's AN,
yeah.
A1, B.
This is 128 and 4/7, and this is to be 171 and 3/7.
Okay.
So then you know 171 and 3/7 times n is 180 times n minus 2.
Okay. Which
is going to simplify to n equals 42.
Nice.
You know this is a 42 gone here, and this is 42. And then you can get your heptagon.
Okay, yeah, that's really neat. So how do you know nothing bigger than 42 would work?
Well, you know, because you can't form, there's no polygon between 6 and 7. Like, you can't have a 6.5 gone. 6 is impossible. And then anything higher than 7 is going to result in this being smaller because this angle is going to be bigger. So 7's the limit.
Okay. All right, very good. That's a cool problem and really nice work.